Good evening, viewers. Welcome to this edition of the news. A quick look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi meets T20 World Cup winners, the Indian men's cricket team. Niti Aayog launches Sampurnata Abhiyan. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways sanctions 290 crore for urgent repair and upkeep of NH6. Inspectors General BSF Region Commanders BGB Level Border Coordination Conference concludes today. And Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma announces allocation of 26 crore to complete construction of Yaumusyang Market Complex. And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today met T20 World Cup winners, Indian men's cricket team at his residence in New Delhi. Indian cricket captain Rohit Sharma, coach Rahul Dravid, along with players including Virat Kohli and Hardik Pandya were present in the meeting. The Prime Minister interacted with the players where they shared their experiences. The Indian cricket team arrived in New Delhi this morning and they were given grand welcome. Niti Aayog has launched Sampurnata Abhiyan, a 3-month campaign from today till 30th September to undertake a sustained effort to achieve saturation of 6 key indicators in 112 aspirational districts and 500 aspirational blocks across the country under the Aspirational Districts Program and Aspirational Blocks Program. In Meghalaya, this campaign will be launched in the aspirational districts of Rebhoi and aspirational blocks in West Jaintia Hills and North Garo Hills district. Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari yesterday called the newly elected Shillong MP Ricky A.J. Singkon for a meeting and informed him that his ministry has sanctioned Rs 290 crore for urgent repair and upkeep of National Highway 6, where many patches have been heavily damaged since a long time. Another Rs 90 crore will be spent on repairing the landslide-affected patches, especially at Sonapur, and the work will start immediately after the end of the monsoon. The Inspectors General BSF Region Commanders BGB Level Border Coordination Conference concluded today with the signing of the Joint Record of Discussion JRD document. The 13-member Indian delegation was led by IG of BSF Tripura Frontier, Patel Piyush Purushottam Das, while the 13-member BGB delegation was led by MD Shazedur Rahman, Region Commander Chattogram. During the conference, various issues of bilateral interest which will pave the way towards enhancing the understanding and cooperation between both the border guarding forces were discussed at length. The BSF and BGB have decided to identify sensitive and vulnerable areas which will require amplified attention to check smuggling and address security challenges along the India-Bangladesh border.
Bilateral interests which will pave the way toward enhancing the understanding and cooperation between both the border guarding forces were discussed at length. Further, special emphasis was given to focus issues, particularly insurgent activities, various transborder crimes including smuggling of contraband items, psychotropic drugs and narcotic substances, border violations and pending infrastructural and developmental works, besides common coordinated border management plan.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yesterday announced the allocation of Rs 26 crores to finally complete the long-awaited construction of the Yaumusyang Market Complex in Jowai. During his address, the Chief Minister expressed gratitude to the Sainrai Jowai for generously donating land for the construction of parking lots in Jowai town. Sangma acknowledged the complexities and challenges that have plagued the Yaumusyang Market Complex project over the years, but assured the public that the government is committed to overcoming these obstacles.
The Yaumusyang market complex issue was a very complicated issue. We faced many hurdles from the past many years. The sanctions were made by central government, but because of certain changes and sometimes the contractor also not being able to complete the work, somewhere fund issue being happening, this project saw multiple challenges. But I'm happy to inform that we have decided as a government to absorb all of those challenges and once and for all sanction an amount of 26 crores to complete this project. This will be funded completely by the state. This is a very, very important project for the people of Jowai and Jaintia Hills in general.
Chairperson of Committee on Empowerment of Women of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Santa Marie Shilla, recently chaired a meeting held at Tura. Shilla highlighted that the meeting discussed on several critical issues concerning the two districts, with a special emphasis on crimes against women and children. During the visit, the committee also met with the victim in which a woman was publicly flogged in Lower Texragray village.
We had a meeting with the district of West Garo Hills and South West Garo Hills, and both the DCs and one of the SPs were here. We have a lot of information relating to women issues and the cases that are the issues that is in the district. So we have heard them, and we are ready to take it up with the government. And I'm happy they have given a very good representation and well known to all kinds of information that we got. And also we look forward that the government will also take up matters and help the district, both this district.
The BSF has assured that the smuggling of sugar and onion to Bangladesh would drastically come down. Talking to media today, Inspector General IG of the BSF Meghalaya Frontier, Harbak Singh Dhillon, said that there was depletion of the manpower due to the general actions, and now this has been taken care of. He further informed that they have already discussed this matter at length with the Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister and Home Minister, Chief Secretary and DGP, adding that they have also discussed this matter with the Border Guards of Bangladesh, BGB.
And given the conditions due to which there was some depletion of the manpower due to the general elections, it's been made up, and the sugar smuggling is bound to come down. It has already come down, but it's going to come down more. And this concern of the press which you are showing is good. Like we have already discussed with the Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister and Home Minister. So with all these Chief Secretary, DG Police, we have discussed these issues in length. So some resolutions have been passed, some steps have been taken already.
The Central Goods and Services Tax CGST department marked the 7th anniversary of GST with an outreach program themed Sashakt Vyapar Samgra Vikas at the District Central Library, Nongpo. Addressing the event, Commissioner of CGST Shillong Commissionerate H. Soikanthang highlighted the critical role of the GST system in supporting local businesses. He also acknowledged the significant contributions of the Nongpo and Birnihat ranges of the overall revenue of the Shillong Commissionerate.
In Nongpo range, we have 613 taxpayers registered with us. In Birnihat range, that is 1, Birnihat 2, Birnihat 3, we have 209 registered taxpayers. As of now, as far as revenue is concerned, in the last year, Nongpo has received 36 crores. Birnihat 1, 2, 3 has received revenue of 57 crores. It consists of 32.5% of the entire revenue received by Division 1.
Concerned about the dilapidated state of the road, the villagers of Umling Umsarang conducted voluntary road repairs yesterday to facilitate easier transportation. This road that has been in existence over 40 years covers a distance of 900 meters connecting the NH6 in Ribhoy to Umling Umsarang via the Umling CNRD block office. Given the proximity of the village road to the highway, the villagers urged the government to take serious note of the situation and provide a suitable and lasting solution.
Ladai sempat wan di candidate pidani pidun kam hatan surak praktek surai teknikong ne surak de belum tuhi ina maria jot nga maria sok election ngan pentrain udah surak one way unta one arrow unta hadu kan gini gitu ini iya tahu surak unta ndrai da ba nyami hi daga sinong nyele hi daga sinong kalong surak malumala naga daw usurok nimla ban le Kimla ban pentelun balai ke sinong jengi kasa duk haduk kene haduk minta gisi kat uwi sinong kila nang tiurat sinong kajrong kat bagi sinong jengi nang hiar ke jindu dei ne kasa dau ngam tren buntin abi de kene kita jinong nikmat jengi ki sutu ni bat kini ini ya kene bal kau teng ka ba ni la trace from da sinong.
The Dorbar ki Basan Katway right South Sing Saulama Sarikra Hima Khairim Riboy district along with Mauhati MDC Charles Marngar met the CEM of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Pinyait Singh CM, urging him to assist them in restoring the cultures in their areas. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, Heronis Masharing, Secretary of the Dorbar, said they have informed the CEM about how the community and culture took care of the sacred place like the Lau Kintang, Mauba, Mauniam and the culture that almost disappeared in their place.
Honorable CM Shri Pinyait Singh but MDC dan Buram juga Mauhati Konstitusi Charles Marngar ba kumki khatat li right Iwan ban pensngau Shaki nak banta kumno ban pen im biang sasisin nane kumno ban penne biang yakiriti ki dustur ki bala jandu jandam habede bat ki संसार का खदर अबेदे बत रीति की दुस्तूर अबेदे बत की लाव कंतांग अबेदे बत की माउबा माउनियम नजों से दो की रीति की दुस्तूर कल्चर जुमी की बलाजन रूप जंगम हागने का जुक बहुमता.
This is an important announcement. The state government has announced a dedicated disaster emergency number to streamline crisis management and support. For any disaster-related emergencies, please call this emergency number 112 or 1070. And now the weather report. Maximum temperature 24.1 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 18.2 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 95% and in the evening was 78%. The forecast tells us that moderate rain and thunder shower are likely to occur at most places. Before we wind up, a quick look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi meets T20 World Cup winners, Indian men's cricket team. Niti Aayog launches Sampurnata Abhiyan. Ministry of Road Transport and Highway sanctions 290 crore for urgent repair and upkeep of NH6. Inspectors General BSF Region Commanders BGB Level Border Coordination Conference concludes today. And Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma announces allocation of 26 crore to complete construction of Yaumusyang Market Complex. With that, we come to the end of this news bulletin. Until next time, good night.